I'll have some crispy chicken tenders.
Crispy chicken tender, 4-piece.
4-piece.
All right.
And I'll have it with barbecue sauce and honey mustard.
Anything else?
And I'll also have a Bacon King burger.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon King burger.
One more time.
Bacon King burger.
Bacon King. Okay. Anything else?
That'll be all.
1153. First and 50.
Thank you.
1153. Honey mustard barbecue, right?
Honey mustard and barbecue sauce.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's do this. Hi, welcome to Jimmy's Product Reviews. I try to say he's a very own food product reviewer. I know it's been a couple weeks since I last put out a video, but I'm back. And I just got back from Burger King in St. Charles. I'm going to try the new crispy chicken tenders. I know it seems like it's been 18 times since Burger King has tried their hand at the chicken tender game, because they've had chicken tenders before in various forms. But these are crispy. And they're premium crispy juicy tenders. I'll be the judge of that. And I ordered a 4-piece, so I did order some sauces. I ordered honey mustard and barbecue, a couple of each. And at first we're going to try it without any sauces. So here we go. Well, they do taste juicy. Yeah, you can just taste the juice from the inside. Yeah, I like the crispy batter on the outside. It's got a nice crunch to it. It adds a lot of flavor too. So let's try it with some barbecue sauce. There we go. A little dipping action. Can't go wrong with barbecue sauce. Can't go wrong with barbecue anything. Yeah, the barbecue sauce really elevates it. There's so much flavor to it. The juicy, tangy flavor from the barbecue sauce that you get from the crunchy, the crispiness of the chicken, the juiciness of the inside. Yeah, I like these. Yeah, whenever they're done right, they've got some flavor and they've got a nice crunch to them, and they're just juicy. They have a nice juicy flavor. But I definitely recommend getting them sauces, most notably barbecue, and maybe some honey mustard as well. In fact, let's try some. Let's see how well honey mustard goes with this. So once again, let's just dip it, baby. The honey mustard flavor works very well with it, as well as the barbecue sauce does. So I really like these. I mean, they're juicy, flavorful, they have a nice crunch to them. So I recommend getting them with sauces. Pretty much any sauces. So I love them. I'm giving them a low 5 out of 5. That's my review, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. As always, like, share, subscribe, and comment, and all that good stuff. And see you at next review, whenever that may be. I'm feeling some raindrops, so I better get inside. Well, get up there!